Aircraft carriers were designed in the years between World War I and World War II. Aircraft carriers remain the flagship of the world's most powerful navies, with the United States leading the way. As of 2021, helicopter carriers are no longer included in this total and are given their own listing. Landlocked nations are not penalized for the lack of a standing naval force, but those powers with clear access to oceans are penalized for lacking a carrier element. Aircraft carriers currently under construction are excluded. Ranking the total number of aircraft carrier warships by country, from lowest to highest. Number 7. Russia. Total number aircraft carrier fleet strength, 1. Number 6. France. Total number aircraft carrier fleet strength, 1. Number 5. United Kingdom. Total number aircraft carrier fleet strength, 2. Number 4. Italy. Total number aircraft carrier fleet strength, 2. Number 3. India. Total number aircraft carrier fleet strength, 2. Number 2. China. Total number aircraft carrier fleet strength, 2. Number 1. USA. Total number aircraft carrier fleet strength, 11.